What's happening, everyone? We got another hard reset. Today we are going to do the Vivo V21 5G. If you have one of these and you have to do a hard reset on it, I'll show you how to do it. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on there, it's going to get deleted. And if you haven't yet, subscribe. We got a ton more of these hard resets, especially on some of these oddball devices. And we'd appreciate all the support. But let's get right into this one. This one's a little beat up, but no worries to that. It still doesn't affect our reset options. We want to make sure the phone is off. And in this case, it is already off. You have your volume up, volume down, and power right here. And what we want to do is you want to hold volume up and power at the same time. So I'm going to hold volume up and hit power. And it gets us right into our recovery, which is nice. We want to use the volume buttons to navigate. Your power button is to select. So we want to go to recovery mode, scroll down, hit power. Takes a second to load. But we got all the time in the world. It's a nice looking phone actually for what it is. All right, so now we're here and we want to hit clear data. You can use touch in this portion. We want to clear all data. And then it wants us to confirm on the bottom and say okay. Now it's deleting. Kind of a different setup than some of your other Android phones. For the recovery, then once it's done, I just want to show you guys the options on where you can return. So it's all done. We want to return. We want to hit back again. And then we want to get to, it gives you obviously all these options, and we're just going to shut it down. We don't need to restart it. And if you restart it, it's going to load to the welcome screen, and then you can navigate the phone to the home screen, set it up how you wish in the process. But that is how we do a hard reset on a Vivo V21 5G. If you guys found this helpful, said like, subscribe, all that great stuff. We'd appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.